Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back for a bit of a different video. You've probably seen from the title that this is my room redecoration series. I'm either going to split this into two videos, the kind of whole process, or I'm going to do this video and then I'm just going to do a room tour when everything is done. My only concern about doing it that way is that the room tour might not come for a really long time because I want to do the room tour when everything is there, all the finishing touches. So I might kind of split this into two parts so you can see more of what's actually happening in real time. So today's video is going to be a room redecoration process. This is the start of the process. We're stripping it back to the beginning and I'm really excited for you guys to kind of come on this little room journey with me. I've been planning on redoing my room for probably about a year and I kind of set it as one of my New Year's resolutions and it never materialised until now. So I'm super excited to be cracking on with it, and yeah, let's just chat a little bit more about what this is going to entail. So guys, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you could go down there and hit the subscribe button. It's a little red one somewhere. Yeah, I'd really appreciate that. Also, if you want to turn the bell on, that way you'll be notified when I upload. Also, if you go check me out on Instagram, that would be amazing. I will leave my name here. But yeah, if you like what you see, then you can go check me out on Insta. This video is about me redoing my room. Now, I'm currently sat in my sister's bedroom, thanks Liv. She's away at the moment, so I've kind of taken this space over and we've started the process of my bedroom. I am going to kind of either put in clips throughout this video or I'm just going to kind of insert them over the top. I'm not really sure how I'm going to do it. So to start out, my old bedroom, some of you guys will know it, it's the classic bright pink wallpaper room with the black headboard. I've had it for a while. I absolutely loved it. It was like my teenage room that I had throughout my whole teenage years. But now I'm into my 20s and also I don't know how much longer I'm going to be at home for. I want this space to be a room which my mum can utilise when I'm no longer here living in this house. So if any of you guys know, I live like just outside of London and I cannot see myself, not just outside of London, but like North London kind of way. Can't see myself moving out of my parents' house for a while because it's very expensive to buy in this area. Just the London area is in general, but like I wouldn't be able to do it at this point in my life. So I'm planning on staying here for a little bit longer. Sorry mum and dad, but I want the room to be a space where like obviously they can utilise it for when I'm not here. So I want it to be quite neutral. I do have some Pinterest images that I'm going to share with you guys. I also have some inspo things that I'm going to share with you, but I think the first thing I want to do is I want to pop on a little clip now of the last few days I've spent cleaning out this room. Any of you know me personally know that this was a challenge and it took me a very long time and it was highly stressful, but I will put that stuff in now. Okay guys, so this is my kind of desk area that I've had for ages. It's been really practical for the time that I've had it, from my GCSEs to my A-levels to uni, but it's kind of just impractical now. I don't really use this space that often and I feel like for me I need clothing space. Any of you guys know that do YouTube, we get a ridiculous amount of clothes, and obviously I kind of would love some storage to keep some of those things in. So yes, that is the plan, which means this whole area needs to be cleared because they're going to come and rip this out next week. So far we have emptied out 2 drawers, this top drawer and this second drawer. We still have that drawer to go through. We still have the infamous makeup drawer to go through, which I'm kind of dreading, I'm not going to lie. And then I've got some sports kind of sports bras and leggings and stuff like that in the bottom. This whole desk area, this whole area. So far we've got 1 box of stuff, but we need to fill this box up. And yeah, just kind of crack on. So the beginning of this video, it is going to be like decluttering of this room. I just want to show you a proper before so that we can see what it looks like when it's done. This is the clothing situation right now, everyone. It's like hoarders, I feel like. And then you come here and this is this situation. It's just insane in here. So things have got to go. So my room is changing. We are changing everything from the wallpaper to the bed to these bedside tables. This desk is coming out. The whole room is being transformed. We have got the wallpaper chosen, the carpet is picked, the bed is ordered. I need to pick some bedside tables and I need to pick a little chest from IKEA, but I think I know what one I already want. Okay guys, so I think we made a bit of progress since my last check-in. This is what we're dealing with. These drawers are empty. I can't remember who these were by, but honestly, don't buy them because all of the, sorry, that's just makeup, some makeup pads. All of the like acrylic has basically come off of all of these drawers. Like, I've got some other ones over there and the same things happened and they weren't cheap. So yeah, that's really not great. These, I might keep these because I love the lamp base, but I think I'm just going to switch out the like lampshade. So these are going to go. That's underwear that I need to sort out. This is everything that's kind of boxed up right now. This is my new bedding. This is my old bedding, which is going, and this is Depop stuff. So all of this whole box of stuff is going to be on Depop soon. So just keep your eyes peeled because everything in there has tags on it. These are going. I'm going to have blinds, so that will all be gone. This headboard is going to go. I'm going to try and sell that. So yeah, just sort of in the process of tidying it all up, and it is very stressful because I'm realising how much stuff that I've kind of like just left and not sort of sorted out for so long. Also, yeah, I had my eyelash extensions taken off. Let's not talk about it. I'm very sad. Anyone who knows me knows I literally can't live without my eyelash extensions, and I feel horrible with them off. I've become so accustomed to seeing myself with lashes that I literally can't even look at myself right now. Anyway, that's a random thing, but this is all going to be happening tomorrow. So obviously I'm going to keep updating this and filming it and everything, but I think the full dedicated room tour where I literally bring you guys into my room when everything is done, when like literally the finishing touches are done, will probably be sometime next month, just because I want it to be like completely finished when I do the room tour. This is more of kind of like the room refurb process, if that makes any sense. So there will be a separate vlog of the room tour when it's done, but I'm currently trying to tackle my wardrobe room. So in this little room I have shoe rack and wardrobes, and this is the current situation in here. Yeah, guys, this is really bad. This is really bad. But it's all going to be sorted. It's going to be fine. And I'm giving so much stuff to charity, like bags of stuff to charity, which is obviously great. And I'm going to try and sell a little bit of stuff to make back a bit of money, obviously. So yeah, I'm out of breath. I need to crack on. So that was me trying to clear out my room. Yeah. Chaos, right? Chaos. But I want to take you guys into my room now. They have started the painting, so a lot of the walls are kind of pretty much painted how they're going to be when the room's done, and things are starting to look a little bit different in there. So let's go take you guys in there and see what we think. Okay, so brace yourself. Obviously there's a whole lot going on, but that's just because it's still in the process. So I'm going to quickly turn these lights on. This is my, this is my room, and we can kind of get like a really good look at it right now because there's not loads of stuff in here. It doesn't want to focus on it though. So this is the classic kind of pink wall. If any of you guys remember, this was the pink wall. This is now changing. I'm going to be having wallpaper on here. So this is going to be wallpapered. This is just going to be painted. I think, sorry, I'm just going to bring you guys over. This is the kind of colour that I'm going to go for. It's very like light kind of beigey shade, and then these are obviously going to stay white, these eaves. And then this had like a fitted desk in. I don't know if anyone remembers that, but there was like a full-on fitted kind of desk area here with like a bookshelf. We've completely taken that out. I'm going to have a chest of drawers here. Just for me personally, I would much rather have the storage for clothing. I know to a lot of people that's going to sound ridiculous, but with my job and everything, obviously I get a ridiculous amount of clothes. I would rather have that area just for a big old chest of drawers type thing. But I've seen one that I like, so it's all good. Here we're going to have obviously the wallpaper that I've picked out. Sorry, that light bulb's obviously gone. I'm going to have my bed here, which I have actually selected, and I will show you guys in a little minute some pictures of my bed that should be coming. I still need to pick out some bedsides, but we're going to have 2 bedsides on either side, which I'm obviously really excited about. And I'm actually going to get blinds fitted here and here. I used to have curtains that like went down to the floor, but they just kind of make the room look a little bit smaller, and I would just rather black out blinds. So yeah, this is the current, it's just an empty kind of box of a room right now, but I'm not mad at it. And obviously this carpet is not staying, quite clearly. The carpet is being changed as well. Then we have this little room, which I don't know if I've ever taken you guys in here. This is where I keep my clothes. So I'm not going to show you the right hand side. Do you know what? I am going to show you the right hand side. This is everything from my room right now, my bathroom. Yeah, this is ridiculous, but it's everything. And guys, I just want to make it super clear, I've given away like 8 to 10 bags to the charity shop of stuff that has like labels on it. It's in really good condition, and I kind of split a few things into Depop that I wanted to Depop. Then there were just some bits that I couldn't give to the charity shop. They were just kind of like rags and like old and scruffy, so I did take them to be obviously recycled, like at the clothing things where you can like drop off your clothing. I'm not making any sense right now. So that is what I've kind of spent the last few weeks doing. I don't want you guys to think, oh my god, she just chucked out a load of clothes. Don't worry, it's all gone to the right place. But this is this little room, so this is also going to be changed, this carpet here. And then obviously I have my wardrobe, so this has still got like some paint on it, so I'm not even going to open this because I just don't want to mess it up. But in this wardrobe I kind of keep some of my jackets down here, my skirts. I can do a whole wardrobe tour, maybe like, I want to say the end of this year, beginning of next year, if that's something you guys are interested in. And then I have all of this kind of storage space here, which obviously is going to be utilised. So that is this little space in here. So that was obviously my room in the kind of process that we're at right now. For those of you that are wondering, the date is the 17th of September and it's 7:15. Obviously things are going to be changing. I've got carpet coming in, I've got a bed coming in, chest of drawers that I've picked out. Wallpaper's going up tomorrow, so things are happening very fast. Things are happening very fast, but I wanted to kind of just show you guys where we're at now in the process, give you a little update of where we've got to. We'll share with you guys some images from Pinterest that I'm kind of inspired by, and some exciting little samples that I have with me now. So for the colour on the walls, we have gone for the shade Slipper Satin from Farrow & Ball. I will actually list all of the relevant information in the description box, just in case some of you are doing up a room or interested. I will leave it below. Just this colour, if my camera wants to kind of show you, it's this colour here. It's kind of like a beigey off-white colour. You have to remember that I'm filming with the last little bit of natural daylight, so you probably are not going to see these in their best way, but my ring light is all over the place. Everything, guys, is all over the place. My clothes, I've been wearing the same clothes for like 4 days, honestly, because I just can't like get to anything at the moment. This is my wallpaper that I've chosen, and it's from the brand ROOOO. Those of you that want to know, this is called the, I don't know what this specific pattern is. Just W400/01, if that helps anyone. I don't even know if you guys are going to even be able to see this. Oh, it's so annoying. It basically is kind of like a white, but it has these kind of like tiny little 3D beads on them. I wish that this would focus and that you guys could see what I'm talking about. There we go. So this is kind of like what it looks like, and these are all like tiny little beads details, as you guys can see, which I just love this so much. And this is going to go along the wall where the hot pink wallpaper originally was. But I do have my bed sample, so this is the colour that I've gone for on my bed. I did order a bed from the Luxury Bed Company. For those of you that are wondering, everything in this video is paid for by myself. Unfortunately none of it is gifted. It's all paid for, like, so don't worry, like, I'm not being sponsored or nothing's gifted. This is literally my honest opinion. So if something arrives and I'm not happy with it, I am obviously going to keep it real with you guys anyway and tell you what I think. But yeah, this is the bed that I went for. I will try and pop a photo on the screen right now of the bed that we went for. This is the colour that we went for. It's the shade Putty, and it's just a little bit less of like a silvery colour and has more of a warm tone to it. As you can see, my sister's room is quite silver. I think it's gorgeous in here. I love her room, but for me personally, I wanted more of like a beigey tone than a silver tone. Now I will just quickly share with you some of my fave little pics on Pinterest. These are some of the inspo images that I've got on my Pinterest. How stunning is this? I am completely in love. I really want to get my hands on some mirrors that could go above my side chest of drawers. So let me know if you guys know where they do any like thin little mirrors. I love that look. Another favourite photo of mine is, where is it? Oh my gosh, this room is so gorgeous, and I would love to have something kind of like this. I just think it's beautiful. I love all the kind of beigey tones and the neutrals. I am going to have a little accent colour of baby pink in there. I've already selected my cushions, but I want to keep them a little bit of a surprise. So yeah, these are just some images that I've been kind of gathering of rooms that I have obviously been lusting over. But this is the kind of vibe that I'm sort of aiming on going for. I'm going to have like a light pink kind of theme to it. I also love these prints, so I'm looking at maybe getting some prints done or something. But can any of you guys help me? I am desperate for one of these blankets in like a baby pink, kind of like one of these knitted blankets. Does anyone know where sells these, not for a ridiculous amount of money? please let me know in the comments. I would really appreciate that. So that is where we are at right now with the room refurb. This is obviously just the first little introductory episode, so there is so much more to come along the way, but I wanted to like kick off this little series. I think this is going to be unfortunately a process which might take a little bit of a while, just because we've got different things coming in at different times and stuff. I wanted to kind of get this up in real time, and obviously I want to hear you guys' suggestions. If you know any brands that I would love, like I feel like it's relevant for me to upload this now so that you guys can leave those things in the comment section below. So I am so excited. I can't wait for it to become obviously my little filming room again as well, where everything is quite neutral, so it allows me to film things so you can see clothes better. I loved my old room, but I know a lot of people found that wallpaper quite busy. When I was filming try on clips, they were like, that wallpaper is so busy, I can't see what you're showing. So yeah, that's enough rambling. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Please leave me a comment below. Any of your ideas or suggestions are obviously really appreciated. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.